How to fix R36S games not saving. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out solutions on how to fix that issue of the games not being saved on your R36S. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can follow up the steps that I'm showing on the screen right now. One of them is replacing the stock SD card. So the stock SD card that comes with the R36S can be unreliable. So you need to replace it with a higher quality SD card, something like Samsung Evo Plus. You can go ahead and find it on stores, and you can just go ahead and replace it with a higher quality SD card. The next method we can apply is exiting the emulation station properly. So after you're done playing and after saving your game in game, you need to make sure to exit into emulation station for the save to be returned properly. So once you have played any game, make sure you have exited properly so that it properly saves the game to the emulation station. Other than that, the next method we can apply is avoiding instant shutdown. So for that, you need to ensure that you're not turning off the device immediately after saving. Give it a moment to process the save. You just need to wait for some time, and after that you can also save up the states if in-game saving is not working, and the scan sometimes bypass issues with the game's save system as well. So just make sure you have saved the status. And the last thing you can see is your device firmware. So make sure you have updated your device firmware to the latest version, which can usually resolve the compatibility issues with certain games and help you fix your games not being saved. So that is it. That is how you fix up the R36S games not being saved on your device by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.